IPM International School students, welcome to your iLearn Science class. Today, we will be studying about chapter number 2, Others in My World. Now just let's understand what this others mean. This others actually means all the family members. Yes, family members. Members means the person or the person who lives in our family. Members means the person who lives in our family. They are known as family members. Now, coming to page number 13. My parents help me complete my homework or my work and also play with me. They share the household work and the outside work as well. Household work means all the work which we do in our home or related to our house. For example, cleaning, washing clothes or doing dishes or all other stuff. These are known as household work. And outside work means the work which we do by going out of the house. Like for example, your father or your mother goes to the market to buy the stuff. It could be your food stuff, it could be medicines, it could be anything. So these are few of the outside work which our parents help us to do. Okay. So our parents help in that also, as well as they also play with us, have fun with us. We do all these stuffs together. And lastly, reading stories. Now coming to the next paragraph. We all live as families. We all together live as a family. Yes. Now let us study family. The family consists of father, mother, a child or children. So the family primarily consists of the father, mother and the children. Okay. So let us see this paragraph on page number 30. We all live as families. A family has a father, a mother and a child or children. There may be just 3 members in the family. Yes, there may be only 3 members in a family. Now this is known as a small family. Some children have brothers or sisters. Yes, as I said, some children or like you could have some brother or sisters. Okay, so they are known as the brothers or the sisters together or the sisters are known as siblings. They are known as siblings. Sibling means the brothers or the sisters which we have in our family. Okay. Now, coming to the next line. Some children have brothers or sisters. Now, coming to the next page. Some families may have 5 to 6 members. Father, mother, child or children and grandparents. Yes. A family may also consist of a father, a mother, some children or a child and grandparents. Grandparents means what? Grandparent is said to the grandmother or the grandfather. Now what is grandmother? Grandmother is the mother of our fathers or our mother's mother. Yes. And grandfather is said to the father of our father or mother's father. Coming to the next paragraph on page number 14. We all love our family members. Yes, we do. We all love our family members. Members of a family live together with a lot of love and affection. They help each other when there is a need. Yes, our family members always help each Yes, we all celebrate festivals along with our family members and with friends and relatives as well. But primarily we do with our family members. Eat together and go for outings. These are the stuff which we do with our family every time. Like we eat together, lunch, breakfast, dinner, whatever. If we do always, we try to do it with our family members. Now we are moving to a very important topic of this chapter, and that is neighbors. Yes. Now, apart from this family, there is one important topic that we need to understand is the neighbors. What does this word mean? Neighbors. Yes. Neighbors means all the people who live near our house. People who lives near our house. Yes, the people who lives near our place, near our house, they are said to be neighbors. They help us in many ways. We should respect our neighbors. Yes, just like our family members, we should always respect our neighbors as well, because they are the only one who live near to our places. We might also see shops, offices, parks, schools and hospitals around our house. All these places around our house form our neighborhood. Now, coming to another terminology, that is another terminology here is a neighborhood. Neighborhood is said to the place which is near our house. For example, all the shops or the retail store or the park or the offices, all these things, if they are near our house, then it is said to be our neighborhood. Neighborhood also considers all the people who live around us. Okay. By this we are coming end of this chapter. Now I hope that you have very well understood what a family means, what does a neighbor mean, and what does a neighborhood consist of. So now you have some work. Yes, you have to go to the PDF which is attached in the portal, and what you have to do over there, you have to go all the exercises which is mentioned in the PDF. You have to do all the book work, all the assignment. I repeat, the assignment work as well, and just clearly copy it down in your copy, in your fair copy, and take a clear picture of that and just email it to me to the given email address in the PDF. That is aftabaksa512@gmail.com. Thank you so much.